Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I traded in Tata Motors. As you can see, my SL got hit, but I'll tell you my analysis. I traded Tata Motors long because of Nifty, because I was bullish in Nifty. First, I'll tell you the Nifty analysis. Nifty opened near this resistance area, and you see here it crossed this area on 15 minutes. I'll show you. This was the channel pattern and it crossed it today, and also this green line is one resistance area. This is the resistance area, so it crossed it today, but it did not sustain, it came down. But as you can see here, it came down but it did not cross the previous low. This was the previous low, so it did not cross that area. It was near this area. It came near this area again. It crossed this trend line, then it went up. So when it was near this area, I thought it will cross here, because also this trend line is supported, but it crossed this. But then I thought maybe Nifty has become bearish, so it will go down. So I waited for this area to be crossed, because if I would have traded here, it anyways I don't trade Nifty, but still I was looking at the index to trade in stocks. So I thought if it crosses here, then we can go for a bearish trade. So when it crossed near this area, I saw Tata Motors. I was analyzing this stock, but when it was near this area, it was also making higher highs, higher lows pattern, and it also made a triangle pattern. It was also a triangle pattern, and it broke this trend line, and it went up. So Nifty also gave breakout, and Tata Motors also gave breakout 11.7, and it exact 11.7. But you can see it did not sustain. It went sideways. It did not go in my profit area at all. It went sideways. Then it hit my SL. So Nifty went nicely up. I drew these boxes. This was my entry. 11.15 was my entry. So here this candle got my entry triggered 11.17. So yeah, 11.17, and this is the 12.10. So around here, 12.9. So around here. So Tata Motors completely went sideways, but Nifty gave good move. You can see after this also it gave nice up move. Then again it retraced, and again it gave a up move. But Tata Motors, after this move, again it went sideways, again it gave a down move. Here, this is the support zone. From here, it went up. So, what was my mistake? First, if you see Tata Motors is completely in a downtrend. Oh, sorry, not completely. It is in uptrend, because see in 15 minutes, it is in uptrend. It is in uptrend. This channel is going up. So here, first new higher high is not formed. It is similar high. So that is one thing. Second, today Tata Motors was going down, like it is making lower highs, lower low. This is the low, this is high, low, high, and it was sideways here. So I should have waited for this sideways trend. Then I could have, went either side, if it breaks above or down. Uh, I think I completely depended on Nifty, so I got in the wrong trend of this Tata Motors. So here my SL got triggered. And one more thing, yesterday I traded Apollo Hospital BTST. So you can see I traded here. You can check my previous video. It was yesterday, I guess. I traded this. I traded on 5 minutes, I guess. This. This. it was like this. So I traded this breakdown, but you see there was no volume, but after this it went up, and also this was the one resistance area, so it went near that area, made a triple top, and you can see this is the good breakout candle, I'd say, because there is a good volume. See, good volume, good candle, also has a wick, and it is completely below uh, 50 MA, and it is following, like it is not again going for retest, and it is hovering there, because if you see, it went up and it was sideways, then again went up, and it started making kind of a higher high, and then went up, then went near this next resistance. So let's see if 1:1 is achieved. So anyways, I don't think there is a good opportunity here, but our analysis was correct. But this is the next support area. You can see it could have been uh, achieved. So it could have been 1:2. You see, 1:2 is achieved, but we cannot, keep our SL at this area. This could have been a good intraday trade, also in options also, but I think the analysis was correct. The trade execution went wrong. We should be more careful about our trade execution. So this was my Apollo Hospital trade, which I took yesterday. So that's it for my video, and thank you for watching my video.